Hello and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Today we will be unboxing Decocrated. Stay tuned. Decocrated is a quarterly subscription and I pay $79.99. Now, if you were to subscribe annually, prepay the $299.99, you save yourself some money and it comes down to $75 a month. I'm sorry, $75 a quarter. So I'm gonna get the box down below so we can get into it. Some of the first items that I see right on top of the box is the envelope, which has a pamphlet in it that talks about all the different items that are in the box, and also shows different ways to style the pieces. We'll look at that when we start pulling more items out. And then typically, this is where we have the artwork. And here it is, and it is two-sided. Now this is like a moonscape. And then fall breeze, autumn leaves. I like this very much. I love the colors that they used on here. And it looks like there's also a sticker here. Yeah, two separate stickers. How unique. Okay, well then the first thing I see is the pillowcase. You get a pillowcase in virtually every box. Wait, is this a pillowcase? No, these are the tea towels. I did some peeking. I've seen what some of the items are, but I didn't realize that this tea towel came along with it. I thought you received one or the other. This is pretty. I love the orange colors. And then this one for Halloween. I love that you have one for the Halloween season and one for just fall. All right, let's see what's in this box. I know I'm just now getting some of my fall stuff out and starting to decorate. So a lot of these pieces I should be able to just incorporate right in with what I've started to put out. And I think I know what this is. Yep. All right, this is one of the candlesticks. And I love the gold finish that I'm seeing. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? I love it. That's a beautiful size too. Okay, next box. What else do we have? I can always use new candle holders. I switch my decor quite frequently in my home. And I'm hoping this is, and it is, da-da-da-da, it is the smaller version of this. When I saw that there's only two, that kind of bothered me, because I usually decorate in threes. But this will be easy enough to just set a pumpkin with, and then you'll have a nice three-piece set. Okay, next box. Okay, what do we have in this one now? Let's see. Oh, it looks like the mirror. Yes. See if I can get it out for you all. Let's see. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now look at that. And now that looks like a moon mirror, but it could be on the bottom. It wouldn't necessarily have to be on the side. It could also be on the top. So this is beautiful. And they do have it so that it hangs on the side, but you can always change the way something is hung. Because see here, they've got for the nail hole. Okay, that's lovely. And it's nice, sturdy, heavy material. All right. Oh, this box feels very lightweight, like there's nothing in the box. There's got to be though. We all know they don't send empty boxes. Oh, and here is a little mini ladder. Now I have seen other people open this and there were mold spores on some of the rungs. So I know that's something that I wanted to look at on my piece, and I'm not seeing anything of the sort. But isn't that just darling? It's just the cutest thing, a little ladder. I actually have one of these sitting out on my front porch with a blanket, and then I have one in my sunroom with another blanket. This would be cute on a shelf, and then having some floral coming down this, that would be very pretty. Okay, I'm very excited for the decorating. All right, let's see, this box opens which direction? Oh, we have some opening to do still. All right. What's in here? Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. I love this color. Can you see the color? I'm hoping my shirt helps you see that it's like a deep, deep forest teal, forest green. It's beautiful though. So right here is exactly what I was referring to. You put candles up top here. I was just looking to see if I had any close by. I don't. But you put the candles right here, and this on a end table. It could be your centerpiece on your dining room table. There's so many different things you can do with these pieces. There's one more piece in the box. So, oh, and I think I know what this is. And I'm sure most of you, anybody who has seen a Decocrated video, they've been peeking at what's coming in the boxes. And here is the beads. I'll be honest with you, I'm not crazy about the colors. I like that this bead here matches the pumpkin. But then we've got like a gray green, and this color here, it's like a mustard, and then like an orange. I'm really more into the natural beads. This is beautiful, and it will look nice strung anywhere amongst my fall decor. But I mean, they stay nice. They're gonna be beautiful, but they're just not my favorite set or my favorite item in this bundle. I'd have to say my favorite is the pumpkin and then the candlesticks. I like getting new candlesticks, kind of refresh what I do have in my home. So this was Decocrated's fall box. There's been a lot of mixed reviews. I'm happy to have every piece here. So please comment below what some of your favorite items were and what you made.
I couldn't hear what you said.
This watch of mine, it's always talking to me. Anyways, comment below. Let me know what you think, what some of the items that you like and what you would do with maybe some of them. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Don't forget, I would love it and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. And don't forget the notification bells, then you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks so much and take care.